The theme of the 2013 Agriculture Outlook Forum was Managing Risk in the 21st Century. Secretary of Agriculture Tom Vilsack opened the annual forum
And
this
that
week
percentage
with
could
a
be
dim
somewhere in
view
the
of the
neighborhood of 5 or
near-term future
6%.
for U.S.
The only way
agriculture,
we can
as
absorb.
across-the-board spending
Congress could
cuts
give us
loom for
flexibility
all
and
federal
say we didn't
agencies.
really mean
Vilsack
every
told
line item
attendees
or every
Congress could
reduction
solve the
package
problem,
that would
but if it
avoid
fails to
sequester.
act, USDA will do what it has to do to cut spending under what is commonly known as the
Sequester will be
sequester.
triggered. And what that will mean for USDA is every line item, virtually every line item of our budget will have to be reduced by a certain percentage. And that percentage could be somewhere in the neighborhood of 5 to 6%. The only way we can absorb a cut of this magnitude is by impacting the people who work in the food safety area of USDA.
If lawmakers are unable to come to some kind of agreement by Friday of next week, USDA could remove inspectors from meatpacking plants. Without inspectors, processing lines would come to a standstill, causing a ripple effect across the entire supply chain. USDA officials calculate this could mean losses of as much as $10 billion for the entire livestock industry. Vilsack warns the cuts will be harsh for USDA. Without permission from Capitol Hill, he will be unable to cover the potential across-the-board cuts that face the department.
Congress could give us flexibility and say we didn't really mean every line item across the board, or they could come up with a larger deficit reduction package that would avoid sequester.
Vilsack also renewed his call for Congress to pass the 2012 Farm Bill.
And that now creates uncertainty as to what the safety net will be for farmers who are faced with the drought, who are, through no fault of theirs, they're facing economic disaster. And so they now face a financial risk that's man-made.
The secretary also called on Congress to pass immigration reform.
This is a risk to agriculture, and we're beginning to see the implications of that risk because we've had crops that were grown last year that could not be harvested because there simply weren't enough hands to pick them. It's important and necessary that we have immigration reform that creates a comprehensive set of reforms that secures our border and then creates an opportunity for these folks to be here legitimately.
While Vilsack did say he was confident about the future of U.S. agriculture, it remains to be seen if Congress will act in time to calm the secretary's concerns.